severe thunderstorm warning for Geauga County in northeastern Ohio, eastern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Lake County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cleveland Heights, or 8 miles east of Cleveland, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Painesville, Willowick, Chardon, Fairport Harbor, Parma, Euclid, Mentor, Cleveland Heights, Solon, Willoughby, Hudson, Twinsburg, Eastlake, Warrensville Heights, Macedonia, South Russell, Madison, Perry, and Burton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, Lake and Summit.